In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert furniture blocks in AutoCAD. Whether you're designing a new kitchen layout or just looking to spruce up an existing plan, understanding how to effectively use blocks in AutoCAD can save you both time and effort. Let's dive into the process, step by step, and make sure you're comfortable with each part of the process. First off, we'll be using the Design Center command, which is an incredibly handy tool in AutoCAD for accessing content from other drawings or design libraries. To get started, go ahead and type DC, and then press Enter. This will open the Design Center window, where you can access a wide range of blocks and elements that can be inserted directly into your drawing. Once the Design Center window pops up, take a moment to get familiar with the layout and options available. You'll notice there are panels on the left and right sides of the window. Here, your primary focus will be on the available categories. Now, let's click on Design Center, which will allow us to browse through various blocks we might want to use. Since today we are specifically looking at furniture blocks for a kitchen, let's dive right into that category. In the Design Center window, scroll through the available options until you find the Kitchens category. Give it a double click. By doing this, we're telling AutoCAD that we're interested in the kitchen-related blocks that are available in their library. Once you've clicked into Kitchens, you'll see several subcategories like appliances, cabinets, and fixtures, but for today our focus will be on blocks. Now, double-click on Blocks to open up this selection. At this point, you'll see various block options displayed. This is where you can select exactly what you need, whether it's a stove, a sink, or cabinetry. Select the block by simply clicking on it. To bring it into your drawing, you're going to use a quick and easy drag and drop method. Click on your chosen block, drag it from the Design Center, and drop it directly onto your drawing space in AutoCAD. It's that straightforward. If you find that you need additional items or decide you want to explore more categories, you can easily go back to the Design Center window. Simply navigate through the categories and repeat the process with other blocks or components you may need. And when you're done and satisfied with the additions to your drawing, you can close the Design Center window. And that's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you can greatly enhance your AutoCAD project by incorporating helpful and time-saving block elements. Remember, the Design Center isn't just limited to kitchens. You can always explore its full range of options for any of your design needs.